Hello everyone, I am Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share a simple and healthy pasta recipe with you guys. I hope you like it. Try it at home and share it with your loved ones. If you want more videos like this, leave your comments and suggestions below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. What you will need are 2 cups of pasta. I am using semolina pasta and I am making it for 4 people, so you can take the amount according to the number of people you are making it for. One cup of corn kernels, some diced tomato, carrot and onion. You can add any vegetable that you have. Some salt and black pepper powder. Take a pan, add 4 cups of water, add 2 tablespoons of salt and oil to the water and bring it to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add your pasta and boil it for 10 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally so that the pasta doesn't stick to the pan. Make sure not to overcook the pasta. You can prick it with a fork to check if it's cooked or not. Drain the water properly and set it aside. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the onions and stir fry for 2 minutes. Then add the carrots and the tomatoes and stir fry for 5 minutes. Now add the corn kernels. Add the salt and black pepper powder. Add some water and keep stirring for more 5 minutes. When the sauce is ready, add the pasta and mix it with the sauce properly. Add some seasoning, whatever you have, or if it's okay if you don't have any because it's completely optional. Mix it properly. And your pasta is ready.